Ordering coupon books. In the navigational menu, we'll select coupon books. We've got two varieties, the Unbook or the Go Green book. Go Green book is going to be more of your traditional style bound book. The Unbook is a loose leaf version of that. Select or input your community. Browse for your CSV file. Describe your mailing. This is optional. Rush processing is also optional. Next, you're provided the opportunity to include additional documents with your coupon books. These just need to be in PDF format. You do have print options, single or double-sided, black and white or full color printing, and a variety of paper colors. Envelopes. Remit envelopes to be included with your mailing or not. Outer envelope messaging. This is the envelope that will arrive in your homeowner's mailbox. Also optional. And our review and submit. On this page, you have the opportunity to include an additional proof recipient and the opportunity to include special instructions for your order. We'll submit our order. This is not approving the order for printing and mailing. This is moving it to the next step, which is the review process.